Dane Whitman is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. The third character to bear the Black Knight name, he was created by writer Roy Thomas and artist John Buscema and first appeared in the Avengers number 47. The original Black Knight's descendant and the supervillain Black Knight's nephew, he inherited a mystical sword that carried a curse and took the Black Knight name to help restore honor and has been a long-time member of the Avengers' various incarnations as well as the Defenders, Ultraforce, Heroes for Hire, and MI-13. The character was featured in a 4-issue mini-series in 1990 and 2 one-shots in 1996 and 2007. Starting in 2015, he was the main character in Marvel's all-new, all-different Marvel short-lived ongoing Black Knight series, the first ongoing series to feature Dane Whitman as the titular character. Dane Whitman will make his live-action debut in the upcoming Marvel Cinematic Universe film Eternals played by Kit Harington. Following his introduction, the Dane Whitman Black Knight became a recurring character in the superhero team comic The Avengers, with his first solo story appearing shortly afterward in the anthology title Marvel Superheroes number 17. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.